So what to make with AI is the question. First thing I want to do is create a new folder for this. I want to make something that I know we can make. So we're going to make an AI image reader. Actually, we'll call it AI meme reader. Let's check this out. So I'm just going to go straight to that because I know, actually no, I got to get to Tesseract first. This may be, I forget how big this is. Normally we run Tesseract on DPNG on your Linux. It just reads very rigid. You know what I mean? Let's see, did we get Tesseract OCR? As I give it a compliment, it cuts out on me. Just like my mother.